I'm going to have lunch at Saint. How cute are my shoes from Nosy Shoes? This way. Hey, Bo. What's in empty Gaga?
It's holiday.
But I mean, oh, kanena abantu bagojukile. So here's Saint, guys. It's so empty. Oh my god. It's very strange because this place is usually packed, like really, really full. At least we know we'll get a table because we're late for our booking. This is the restaurant, guys. It's so stunning. I love that artwork on the ceiling, well, the projector. Alcohol tolerance is like 0. What is strong on a cocktail?
This thing is so strong. The is like, where's the alcohol? It's everywhere. What do you mean? Where's the alcohol? It's right here.
Oh my gosh, no ways. This is amazing. I love it. I need to remember the name for the future because I can't come here and be like, guys, I need that cocktail. So here's our food, guys. I'm having a steak with roast potatoes and I don't know what this is. It looks like onions and peppers. What are you having?
It's lamb meatballs, pasta. Looks amazing.
It does. I hope they're good at the pasta. Enjoy, girl. I'm about to have my favorite red wine. Excuse the packaging, guys. I don't know what happened. It was actually a gift, so I don't know what happened, but yeah, let me open that up. I don't have a bottle opener. Oh my gosh, shut up. Why the hell don't I have a bottle opener? That's so childish. Yeah, this actually just goes to show that I'm not as much of an alcoholic as people think I am, because I don't even have a bottle opener. I think I'm gonna go ask my neighbor if he has one. But like, that's so awkward. There's this wine, yeah, but I don't want to drink it. It's literally been open since a month ago. But apparently red wine by Monday even more when you leave it open because apparently it breathes. No, I'm gonna go ask my neighbor for an opener. Guys, I actually cannot do it. I can't bring myself to like stand outside his door and ask him. So I'm gonna like, he was in the loo as well. Shame, like I'm probably disturbing him. So I'm gonna try and open this with a knife. I've seen people do this before. Let's hope I succeed. I literally got home from lunch with Dineo and I just passed out on my couch. I just woke up now, 7 p.m. What am I doing? pride, guys. So this is what pride will make you do. You find yourself trying to open. Oh my gosh, it's like falling apart. Guys, no ways. I actually cannot believe this. I'm really struggling to open the wine. Hi, no MIHLALI. My dress. I can never wear this again. Look. I quit. I really quit. Like, I'm done. I'm done. It's like, I give up. I'm actually just gonna end this vlog right here and deal with the situation behind me, because this is too much for me. I cannot handle this. I'm so defeated because all I want is a nice glass of wine, and this is just working against me. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys tomorrow.